Where's my mug? Oh my god!
And it's actually funny because that's actually why I was kicked out of the Denny's off of 495.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
hey Henry.
Why are you guys outside of my house?
We have to design cooking project.
It's due tomorrow.
Yeah, you're right, Henry. It is.
That's right, Henry.
We need to finish this project because it's snowing currently, and it has been for
Oh boy,
a few minutes
boy,
now.
the stakes sure have been raised through the roof since the last time we checked.
We're cooking lamb.
We're cooking lamb on a grill. Now, that's the interesting thing about cooking lamb. You're like, well, man, why don't you just bake it or spit roast it? And the simple answer to that is, well, we can't spit roast it. Come on, we're not. Well, who are we? Ancient Romans? No. Expert. Who are we? People who bake? No. We're gonna grill it. Happy middle ground. Happy middle ground. You're like, boy, what is it? What am I supposed to do? I'm like, well, I don't want to bake it, but I can't exactly spit roast it. What's the happy middle? Grilling it. Duh. Let's get into it.
It's actually snowing more, so it's kind of getting cold now. But anyway, let's turn on the grill. I don't know how to turn on the grill.
First thing you gotta do when cooking when cooking lamb is to turn on the grill. Find out how to turn on the grill.
Gas source. Is this open? Washing my hands because food safety.
Here's some of our ingredients. We're gonna need to use this wonderful olive oil. It's organic, which is great. Cilantro. The smell of cilantro is very powerful. It's very poignant. It's very good for the mind and body. Black peppers, pink salt crystals from the Himalayas, of course, and the titular lamb chops we're going to be cooking. They look just delicious, do they not?
They do.
They not?
They do.
Let's get right into it.
You rolling? Alright, cool. So, first of all, Dylan has cleaned his hands because food safety. And we're going to chop up this cilantro right here with a knife.
While Henry's doing that, I'm going to start putting some salt in the plate. Now, it says to put a generous amount. I think those are the exact words, right? Yep.
What are you doing? Just take the top off.
Oh. That looks pretty generous to me. And so now we're going to mix in some pepper. Thank you, Daniel. Was there also a generous amount of pepper or just a bit of pepper?
Probably just a generous amount.
Perfect. Now we gotta pour some oil on that.
Olive oil right back here.
Now time for the olive oil.
There you go.
Should I pour it on?
Do it.
Ready?
Wait, no, Dylan, the cilantro.
The cilantro's gotta go on first.
This is a lot of cilantro.
Now let's get some nice olive oil in there. Okay, I want you to do a drip and then I'll do a drip.
Alright,
You ready?
Also quite a bit.
Wasn't as artful as I hoped.
I don't know if that's enough, but okay.
I'm sure it's enough. Should we mix? Should we spread it around? You think?
Yeah, we can do this. Now it's time to open the lamb. This is some nice New Zealand lamb chops, and there's 3 of them.
Oh, you know what they say about that? New Zealand makes the best lamb of all time.
Do they?
Yep, that's what they say.
Daniel just washed his hands because food safety. And he's behind me now. So now we have 3 lamb chops. Put these bad boys in the sauce. We're just gonna let this sit for a bit. Kind of rhymes. And then we're gonna, make sure both sides. Oh, look at that! Look how coated it is. That's nice. That's gonna taste real good once we take it outside and put it on our grill, which is probably on still.
So Henry, the grill's gonna run out of gas soon, so...
Oh!
No, the 2 tanks, don't worry. But before you put it on, make sure the grill's still hot, and not like turned off or something.
Daniel, you wanna go outside and stare at it for a bit? Dylan, you wanna follow?
Yep, still hot.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Yeah, take a look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. That's actually pretty beautiful.
everyone knows that if you're gonna make the most delicious lamb possible, you gotta follow the ancient Latin recipe. Listen at me. You gotta follow the ancient Latin recipe. I mean, it's like cooking 101. What am I gonna cook today? Lamb? Lamb? Okay, great. Okay, ancient Latin recipe. Ancient Latin recipe.
How am I gonna move this without burning?
But this time, it's grilled. Ancient Latin recipe grilled edition. Do you think they grilled back in the day? Well, they spit roasted, which is basically grilling.
How do I? Wait.
Basically grilling. Basically the same thing.
Quick, guys! It's spatula time. I don't know which spatula's a spatula.
What do you mean you know which spatula?
What?
About 4 minutes on each side.
Which one's a spatula?
Why the one that looks like a spatula, you'd think? There he
Is
is.
it this one?
You can use that, sure.
I don't want to use it. This one's bad.
Wait, what?
It's fine.
No, this one's cooler. Spatula.
Ah.
Wooden one.
Yep.
Should I clean it? Alright. It's spatula time. Alright. Upon further questioning of my dad, he said just throw it on. You ready for this, Dylan? Daniel, Dylan, all of us?
We should all throw one on. I feel like we should all throw
first.
one. Henry goes. Get Henry throwing it on. Very nice.
It's about 4 minutes on each side, so... You guys want to throw them on now?
I'll throw mine on, okay? Wait, you just literally chucked yours on.
Yeah, I literally just chucked mine on.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Chuck mine on too. Dale, get. I want a full shot of me doing this. Go all the way back. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Nicely done. Daniel will now be throwing his on.
Nice. So, Wade said about 4 minutes on each side, and my watch says that it is 3/4 past 10, which means 10:38. Wait, no, it doesn't. Daniel, you liking this?
Yeah, this is pretty good.
Pretty
I love
good?
that sound of sizzle.
All right. Let's switch cameras, and I'll flip these bad boys over.
We're all doing everything.
We're all doing everything. Oh, that looks nice. I think this is good. All right, cool. Done.
I'm gonna do one.
Do yours. Make sure you get the little side piece there, because it's kind of flopping around.
Here. Yeah, expert flipping. Here, please can you?
I'm very uncomfortable. Oh, shit,
Hey there, bias.
Flip them already. You're running out of time. This is a time-intensive thing.
Screw you.
Hey,
Gotcha.
that's actually really nice. Don't hit it like that. Okay, Daniel, you want to hand the camera to Dylan back?
And Daniel was here the whole time.
He never left.
Mentally absent, not physically.
Okay, we can't actually see that if you do that. It's not that hard. Just go under. Oh, okay. That works, actually. Cool.
Oh my! Whoa! Scaring Dylan.
That's how the oil works. And press that bad boy down.
Ugh. Okay, we're on here. We're gonna put the meat on this thing. Henry's gonna put the meat on this thing. And meat number 1. Great job, Henry.
Thank you.
Meat number 2. Stellar work, team. Stellar work, Dylan.
So we're going.
And Daniel, I really like what you did there with that steak. I mean, that lamb. Oh, wow, it looks so nice.
It does.
Now that's
How you live.
a delicious looking piece of meat.
So, which one? I each take one.
Yeah, each take one now.
That actually tastes really good.
The consistency through the roof. The texture through the roof. The flavor
Success?
even better.
Yeah, I'm up for filming.
Oh, hi.
Nice. Like a
We
snack.
won't go into focus.
That's a shame, isn't it?
You're just focusing on me the whole time.
You're really
We're
good.
just gonna keep recording this entire eating segment. We can fix some post.
While we're eating, it's just gonna be
we can
credits.
speed it up in
The
post.
credits are gonna go up and down as we eat.
蛮成功的，蛮好吃的。
Wait, Dylan had one more thing to say.
Oh boy, I am stuffed. I sure do feel like an ancient Roman.